also it has the ability of users to determine who can access their personal information. Personal information is also called as personal data.
Okay.
That relates to your emails, passwords, and data. Data is very security incident. Sensational information like private healthcare data, corporate data, two-factor authentication. These type of things can be two methods. One is username and password. Another one is like a smartphone applications to approve your authentication. Not every age is sufficient, and there is a massive layer of work. Some of the biggest today include things like consumer privacy, bias programming, medical procurement, and unclear legal regulations. These also include humans are dependent on age-related standards. They skills they English until they speak in their absence of empathy. They can't be able to understand your feelings or emotions like this. So, age takes this absence of empathy. Lack of straightforward misinformation gives you a wrong impression. Rumors. Not true at all, but many people are talking about that, but that is not true at all. A content, things like sending messages or emails to your fake emails to your mobile to